How to make $200 per month from Google Maps. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to explain a method to generate from $200 to $2,000 per month, and you won't need any skill. You will only need to find small business owners that need help with bad reviews and ranking in the search, and for that we are going to use Google Maps. Then you will go to Fiverr.com to hire a freelancer to deliver the service instead of you delivering it. So I'm going to take you in a step-by-step tutorial on how you can apply this method. So first of all, open your browser, then open Google Maps in the browser and wait for it to load, and then go to the search and type the United States. Here, United States, click on search and wait for the states to show up. And here, let's zoom in on the states and let's choose a state in here, for example Pennsylvania or Ohio. Let's go for Ohio in here. Let's go for Ohio and let's wait for it to zoom. Let's choose a city in here, for example let's choose Cincinnati. Here, let's zoom in and let's go again to the search to type some kind of a small business. But before that, I'm going to talk first about the three main services that we are going to offer these business owners. So the first service is the website creation. So we are going to check if they have a website or not. If not, we are going to offer to create one for them. And the second service is removing the bad reviews from their Google Maps profile. So we are going to check their profiles to see if there are any bad reviews that we can remove for them. And the third service is website or social media accounts managing. So we are going to offer to manage their social media accounts. So here, let's search for the small businesses, for example auto repair businesses or plumbers, salons, or we can just go for gyms. So here, let's search for gyms, and here you will be able to see all of the available gyms in this area. We have Planet Fitness, Gymbo's Personal Training and Fitness Center. So here we have a lot of gyms. And guys, before, you can't just reach out to all of the profiles. Make sure to choose a specific type of profiles, and those types are the ones with no sponsored rating in the top of the profile, and also with less than 150 reviews, because the ones with more than 150 reviews are already a big business, and also the ones with sponsored written in their profile means that they already have someone managing the marketing in Google Maps for them. So here, for example, this profile is not what we would go for usually. So let's move on to the next one. Here, less than 150 reviews, no sponsored written in the profile. So this is our typical go for. Let's wait for it to load. And here we have Gymbo's Personal Training and Fitness Center. Let's scroll down to check their website here. Let's open website, and here you can see that it's a fitness center. This is their models. Here you can see that they have some people that are in the bodybuilding industry, but the website is very old. As you can see, this is all what it has in the front, or in this front page. Let's go to the testimonials. Here you can see the names of the people who made those testimonials. Here you can see their videos. Here you can see Gymbo's Tour, The Pump, Gymbo Collins, Natural Bodybuilding, Chest Day, Back Day. So they have a whole tutorial in here on how you can train as well. That's a great idea, but without having an up-to-date website, you will have everything thrown in the garbage without even know. People will come here and won't even know that you have these videos. You need another design for your website here. Let's move on to the trainers. So I think this is the owner and he's the trainer in here. So yeah, we are going to offer them the website renovation for sure. Their website is very old and it takes a lot of time loading, so that's a problem. And by scrolling down we will be able to see if they have some bad reviews that we can offer to remove as well. So now we can offer them the first service, which is the website renovation. Let's see if we can offer them the second service, which is removing the bad reviews. So here, let's scroll down to look for the 1-star reviews, and here we have only the 5 stars. Let's scroll down here, let's wait for it to load, then let's go down. We have Ryan Richardson, Joshua Icardi, Ben Heenan, Derek Okeltai. Bluetooth door scanner doesn't work on some days, so if there is no one in the gym to help you out, like today you aren't getting in, called all their 4 lines, no answer. So this is a bad review, but not that bad. It's only because it's only a complaint about the Bluetooth door scanner. So we need to find some bad review about the staff or about the gym itself or the environment in the gym. So let's scroll down in hope to find something like that. And here we have a 2-star review from 3 years ago. Anyone have any insight on how to join the gym? My son has left a message and stopped in. He was emailed a link to apply and hasn't heard back. Been trying for 2 weeks now. Hey there, Shili, sorry for the confusion. You can sign up on the app right here and then stop in to pick 24 hours key fob, and this is their application. So we need something stronger than that. Expensive and very impersonal. I was in there almost every day for a year and I was rarely greeted by staff. So here, this is a local guide complaining about the unfriendly staff. So here, this is the response from the owner. Hey Bo, this is Jimbo, sorry to hear that. I don't believe we met, but I'd like to know what your experience was. So this is somehow a bad review, but we cannot convince the owners to pay us for these kind of reviews. We need something very bad, but we can offer them the website creation as I said before. So you can just convince them to pay you $200 for the website creation. Then you can go to fiverr.com and then you will be able to hire a freelancer to create a website instead of you for only $80. Then you can take the rest of the money with you. So that's it guys for today's video. Don't forget to like the video.